Disciple making fits into ordinary life. Many people picture disciple makers as having unusual schedules or special callings, these extraordinary opportunities. That picture, though, discourages everyday disciples, everyday believers who are already stretched thin. I'm willing to bet most of you watching this that you already feel stretched thin. You see, disciple making, most of it happens in normal, everyday rhythms of life. A week in the life of an everyday disciple maker looks a lot like anyone else's week. You go to work. You care for your family, you run errands, you manage responsibilities, and woven into those rhythms are these small but very intentional moments. It's a conversation at work. It's a text message to someone you know is struggling to check in with them. It's a prayer offered in the car as you're driving or stuck in traffic or sitting at the red light. You're offering up prayers to God on behalf of others. It's an invitation to share a meal in your home, to have your dinner table open, to love people and care and serve people. It's reading scripture together, briefly or not so briefly. You see, disciple making, this is what I love about it. It's not about adding more to your life. It's about being intentional with the life that you already have, is using the spaces God has placed you in to connect with others and to connect them to Jesus Christ. You don't need to do everything. You can't do everything. You don't need to disciple everyone. You need to be faithful with the opportunities God gives you. Disciple making often looks like planting seeds or watering seeds. Often it looks like waiting. None of that feels or looks particularly impressive, but God delights in ordinary obedience. Faithfulness in everyday life is the soil where real growth starts to happen. So I hope you're encouraged by that. Let me just end this video by encouraging you this way. Look at your week. Notice where and how God's already placed you. Ask where he might already be at work. Disciple making does not require this radical shift and radical change. It requires an intentional faithfulness in the one God has already given you.